Hey, how's it going? You missed us.
Did they?
How long?
Did they really?
I doubt it, because we only got like 2 people that watch our videos.
Hi, Mom.
But it's been 2 weeks. And you might be wondering, why? We have had the most unfortunate series of events happen to us.
Extremely unfortunate.
Since, like...
Wait, hold on. Who are you?
I'm Bryce.
Who am I?
You are... I'll let you say on there, because you got mad the one time I said it.
I'm Bob.
Okay, that's Bob. But like we were saying, we've had like the most unfortunate series of events since Memorial Day weekend, and we have just not catch a break. Even till this day, we are struggling. That's why we're putting a video up to hopefully hit the algorithm, because
Give us money.
we need money right now. So today, being that one of the reasons, part of the unfortunate sequence of events, we can't do car stuff. We can talk about that another time.
For now.
But we're doing a cooking with Pookie. It's been a while since we've done one anyway.
Cue the celebratory music.
Yeah, we'll do something. But today, I'm cooking a meal because I'm fat. And I'm trying to lose weight. So I'm cooking a healthy-ish meal. I'm cooking a ribeye steak.
I don't like steak.
With asparagus.
I don't like asparagus.
And a potato.
Potatoes are cool.
Exactly. So I'm about to get some stuff together. For you, it'll be like that. But
He has to use his brain to.
yeah, I gotta think about like what I'm about to do. Cause I've never cooked asparagus.
That shit about to be nasty as hell.
I haven't made a potato in I don't know how long.
That shit, yeah, I'm glad I don't eat that.
So let's just see how it goes. Also, the ingredients are gonna be on screen. It's hot. That's part of the problem that we're going through. But the ingredients right here, I'll put them. Hopefully that's center.
Sure it is, yeah.
But yeah, the ingredients, because just in case you want to follow along, you want to go to the store first. Right here. This is a simple one.
Is it?
Yeah. So follow along. All right. So I put a little bit of oil in this skillet. Got my finger a little hot.
That cast iron.
Yeah, you got it. Use cast iron. If you're making a steak, just use cast iron.
That cast iron.
This is for something else. This is for the asparagus. But when you cook steak, let it be room temperature. I got like asparagus leaf on it. Let this be room temperature. Before you cook, just let it sit out for a little bit, 15, 20 minutes. Get your seasoning. I'm fancy.
What the fuck is that?
This is, if you read the beginning, this one is salt, pepper, garlic powder, and like a McCormick Montreal steak seasoning.
See, I was asking myself, I'm the cameraman. I don't know what the fuck you got up in there.
You right. So yeah, sprinkle this generous seasoning.
Don't season like no white person.
You right.
Caucasian fans, we love you, but y'all know what y'all be doing and what y'all don't be doing.
Both sides. Save a little for the asparagus. Is recommended.
You don't want no unseasoned vegetables.
You don't, because it's gross. Get all of that in there. Move it over. Try not to make a mess. Lay away from you. That's what you wanted to hear. I got this on like a medium, high, more so medium heat. You're gonna let that cook slow. You turn it once. Wash your hands because you're dirty.
You might have been dugging your ass while the camera, was off.
Yeah. So while that's cooking, I'm gonna throw this here. I can't find my regular cooking tray.
It's in the fucking cabinet over there.
No?
Yes.
Get your potato.
Your tater.
I'm gonna leave skin on with this one. Nice sharp knife.
That shit ain't sharp.
Wow. Boom. Alright. Cut these kind of thin. Make sure they're even though. I don't know how to cut. It's supposed to be like this or something.
Fun fact, I'm not allowed to cut.
This boy is accident prone.
I'm not accident prone. I just don't have good luck with knives.
He's the reason we get Band-Aids in this house now.
You bought them Band-Aids last time yourself.
Hey, but I mean, I'm happy you the one that brought him up. And I was just like, whatever. You know he accident prone. That's why I had to buy him.
He be talking about he hard body. This man gonna catch Ebola strand number 5 mixed with Covine 99.
My immune system.
Because he don't use no peroxide, no alcohol. He throw some dirt on that shit and call it a day.
Yeah.
And he about to be in the fucking hospital looking like Patrick.
Get the little bits like that. Ain't nothing to do. You can eat it.
That shit probably nasty as hell. See?
Potatoes take forever to cook. So, let me get this going. I'm gonna start cooking the potatoes. Because asparagus, I just learned how to cook this today, thanks to YouTube.
That shit about to be nasty.
Takes just like 3 minutes to cook apparently.
Hi Mom. It's your biggest disappointment.
Let's get these in here, get them cooking. Hopefully these don't take forever, honestly.
Remember what I said about seasoning our vegetables, y'all?
Yeah, I'm gonna season them, dude.
I'm just saying.
Salt and pepper. It's hot.
That motherfucker look kind of plain to me.
You probably like, yo, you sure it's not time to turn this? No, it's not. Trust me. I think I got enough. Well, I'm gonna let that cook a little bit, actually. When you turn this, you're gonna do the stuff that you see all other like the YouTubers do. The YouTubers, chefs, everything. You probably already know. You get the rosemary, the butter. I threw my garlic away.
Like an idiot.
So I'll get some garlic powder and do all of the fanciness with that. Now, you can check. Oh yeah, put that. That's it right there.
It ain't burnt.
It's not burnt.
It's cooked.
It's cooked. So now, get some butter.
A decent amount of butter.
I might even. I'm gonna cut a second one just to have. But so this is I think this is unsalted. Actually, I will do 2. And then fresh-ish rosemary. I think I just bought this not too long ago. Maybe not a week old or nothing like that.
That means it's old and he was
This is
too
a big
lazy.
spread. Really let that get in there. You'll start smelling it. If you're cooking for somebody, they can be like, damn, man, getting down in the kitchen. That, really, I mean, it's curling up. I'm gonna just take this. Ooh, you can try to smell it. Just to push that down so it's cooked evenly.
We're not sponsored. We're not sponsored.
Yeah, is that Cuisine Art? Yeah. Sponsor us, please, so we can get out to this financial something.
So we can pay bills.
Yeah. I'll put that there. These potatoes really need to hurry up. These are not going to be done. Watch. Yeah, when I turn this in, it's just going to be asparagus in this, because potatoes take too long to cook, even when you cut them down.
But you cut them up.
Yeah, that's why. So they cook faster. And then let me just do this. Really get that in here.
What happened to the part where you baste the steak?
Well, I'm trying to get the rosemary infused with the butter, whatever. And I forgot the garlic powder.
Oh, good. Remember, use garlic, but if you stupid and throw your garlic away, use garlic powder to substitute. Same goddamn thing.
Yeah, this is true. See? All you gotta do is that. And then get a spoon. No, it's not. You don't even like steak.
I do like steak. I don't prefer steak. I'm a stereotype. I like chicken pork.
Yeah, get the little rosemary in there. Get it nice and infused. Take that off.
Look at the color.
Yeah, look at
on
that.
that steak.
Awesome. This helps you keep it nice and juicy. Yeah, this is definitely popping my hand up. Something fierce. And I'm gonna put this right here. Just a little bit more. And would you say, because I haven't been like timing, that this side has cooked the same amount of time as the other side?
Sure, buddy.
Let's just say at 7:53.
I've definitely been paying attention.
At 7:53, these should have been cooked on the same side for the same amount of time. And then it's just going to, because you let your steak sit. You got to let your steak sit and let it fully cook through. Just hopefully it's like a medium well or something like that with a little thing. Just to be safe, I'm going to take it off now.
The fact that you said hopefully is concerning.
That's clean. Tell me I can't cook.
You can't.
Watch this stuff. All right, let that sit. Let that do its thing. Most people do this. They want that little bit of sauce, juice, whatever. This thing is heavy.
Oh, it's cast iron, so
Yeah.
of course it is.
But yeah, let that do its thing. Let that sit. Honestly, but just give it a nice little rinse.
If you ever walk in the bathroom and it smells awfully strong, asparagus is what you smell.
Apparently this cooks super fast, like I said. So let's just hope that's the case. And I'm going to season this.
Season your vegetables unless you a weirdo. You like them raw and uncooked.
I'm going to start, like, yeah, you see how they're becoming like a little bit darker? That's how you want them to be. Just turn into like a darker green. That's what the YouTubers that I watch said. I'm probably gonna steam these at a certain point.
You're gonna what?
Steam them. Probably just throw some water in here, throw a lid over it, and call it a day. One of these is the actual lid that it belongs to it. Yeah. I'm gonna just get a seasoning cap of water, and just let that steam and hope for the best. I know they said like it take like, bro, it's so hot. Jesus, help us get money.
Please.
My God.
I ain't got no kids and no family to feed, but I got a car that I want to make faster, goddamn it. And the bitches don't like it because, you know, I'm too lame and all that shit. So, you know, I got to stick to my cool car and my deep voice. That's all I got. So I need the money. And so does he.
I really need the money. Like, we're coming to an end, Marquise. In a second, in like one more switch, dude, like, I'm gonna be plating this. And you're gonna see how nice this looks after the smoke clears out. But bro, like, look at this. This is tender. They're floppy. It's fork tender. That's what you want. Just goes right through. These are done. These are done. So I'm about to plate this. We'll be right back. It's gonna look great.
It's gonna look like shit.
And look at this. Look at this. Y'all thought I couldn't cook? Clean it. It got a little bit of pink. It's going more.
Hold the plate still.
It's going. If I would have let it cook 2 more minutes, it would be well done. But there's a little bit of pink in there. Potatoes are good. Asparagus looks amazing, bro.
See, when you big, it take you a minute to let the food.
That just hit different. This is amazing. This is amazing. Cook this. For real. Ignore the sweat. I'm fat. This is why I'm trying to eat healthy. Cook this stuff. This is really good. 10 out of 10. Marquise won't probably try by it.
I'm not eating that shit, bro.
This is really good. 10 out of 10. Cook this at home. For real. This is really good. I've never made this combo of food before. And this is really good. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Do you have any words?